Hello, boys and girls. This is Miss Williams. I will be doing your literacy lesson for today. This is your Tuesday lesson. We're still in the fourth 6 weeks, and we have one more week, and then we'll start our fifth 6 weeks. So we are reviewing for the next 2 weeks, and remember you're using K.1 MyView Workbook. Remember to practice your letters, being able to name the letters A to Z, also the sounds A to Z. Remember that the vowels make two sounds, so make sure and practice that you know your vowel sounds, both for each letter. Be able to know them quickly and be able to say them out of order. Also, practicing high frequency words, and we'll practice a little bit before the video is over. Make sure also that you're doing your Path Blazers online through your apps through Fort Worth ISD, and it's reading and math. And then also they've added one for reading that we'll talk about in just a minute. Next is Google Classroom. We'll be trying to make sure that we have the lessons and activities and any videos that need to go with it by Monday morning so that you can start your child work for the week. The Path Blazers, remember it's through the LaunchPad class link page. It's the icon for the oil lamp, and it has reading and math. We just started a new program for reading to help kids that's called Lexia Core 5, and so make sure that they're working on that one as well. And you'll just look for the icon that says Core 5. The district will be monitoring our usage to make sure that kids are logging in and working on Core 5. It's about at least an hour per week, and so you can divide it up and maybe do about 30 minutes maybe every other day for that. Next, we have our alphabet. Hopefully, you know your alphabet by now and the sounds. If not, make sure that you're practicing so that you can move on to your reading. Let's say the letters of the alphabet backwards. Ready? Z, Y, X, W, V, U, T, S, R, Q, P, O, N, M, L, K, J, I, H, G, F, E, D, C, B, A. Now let's practice the sounds because that's the most important, is that you know the sounds to help you with your reading. So let's start with Z and do the sound. Ready? Z, yeah, X, Z, and also U, S, Qua, Ah, and then O, Mm, mm, J, 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 I, 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 G, G, E, 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 E. So make sure you practice every day those sounds. Okay, next we have our sound rainforest letter I. Okay, and so we're going to move picture words to each box, and if it has the it sound, it will go on this side, and if it doesn't, it's going to go on this side. So we have our pig, and the middle sound has the it sound. So if we have drip, where would it go? Got it? Chick, chick. And listen for the it sound. This one's mitt. Fox, fox. Where does fox go? Okay, because fox has the ah sound. Stick, stick. Does it have the if sound? Yes, just like pig. This one we have yarn, yarn. Uh-oh. So that one was knit, it. So it wasn't yarn, it was knit. Okay, let's try another one. Plum, plum. Uh, so it doesn't have the it sound. Ship, sh, it, ship. Does it have the it sound? Heel, heel, it, it, heel. And sometimes you may have to say the word slowly. Ill, to hear the I. Next one, can, can. Then we have swim, swim, it, it. This one, vacuum, ah, ah. So it doesn't have the it sound like I. Okay, next we have, so then we have a book to practice real quick, just in case you don't have any um, readers at home. This one is called Pat the Cat, and it goes over words for P and C. So we have the words map, Pam, Pat, tap, and taps. Then we have cap and cat. We have the high frequency words a, have, he, I, is, likes, the, and to. and it says, I am Pam. I have a cap. I have a map. The cat is Pat. And why is the P capital? That's because it's someone's name. So whenever it's someone's name, you have to make that letter, the first letter of their name, capital. The man likes to tap. He taps. Pat taps. Okay? So whenever you get a chance, maybe rewind and go back to the beginning of the story and see if you can read the story by yourself. Okay, next, one of our focus is the words, and this is our beginning word list. And several students now are beginning to remember these words quickly. So make sure that you practice also at home and learn these words quickly as well. So we have a few more minutes left, so we're going to go over these words. Ready? Me, I, mom, the, can, and, to, he, my, look, we, is, in, see, like, come, it, get, up, at. So some of these words are words that it'll be hard to sound out. So they're words that you just have to remember. So make sure that someone helps and tests you to see how many words you know, and try to learn all of these words by the end of the week and see if you can remember these words if you don't already. Okay, let's go over them one more time before we go. Ready? At, up, look, we, is, in, see, like, come, it, get, my, he, to, and, can, the, mom, I, me. So make sure you practice every day your words, and we'll practice another list in a couple of days. And also, we're going to be working on the letter N and also letter B and R. So make sure you know those sounds. And I will see you next time. Have a good day.